The Great Lakes Environmental Resource Management Application, or ERMA, supports emergency responders and environmental resource managers with coastal pollution cleanup, restoration, and response efforts in the Great Lakes Basin. A link to this resource is provided in the video description. ERMA is the result of work done by the contributors shown here. As we launch the Great Lakes ERMA tool, we see a map of the Great Lakes watershed region with some default data populated on the map. If we go to the Other tab, we can use the Help button to get a list of all the navigational options within ERMA and a description of how each tool works. Going back to the Layers tab, let's use the Clear Layers button to remove all the default data from the map. Then we can use the Collapse Folders button to collapse all of the layer folders. This lets us look at all of the layers at a glance and get a sense of what types of data are available to add to our map. ERMA has many types of data available to explore, so we'll just take a look at a few. In the Weather, Oceanography, and Natural Hazards folder, let's add the 6-hour forecast of wave height to the map. If we zoom in on Lake Michigan, we can see a gradient that gives us information about the wave height on the lake. Clicking on a point on the lake brings up a smaller window with more information about that location. We can also use the search function in the top left to search for and add layers to the map. If we search for the term wind, we can add a layer with wind information to the map. After we add a layer using the search function, that layer will flash in the Layers panel so we know where it's located in the folder structure. The Legend tab shows the legends for all the layers that are currently added to the map. ERMA also integrates data from Diver, a data warehouse created by NOAA to house and summarize information about environmental pollution, sampling, and restoration efforts. Let's clear our previous layers and add the Diver layer to the map from the Environmental Quality and Monitoring folder. The Legend layer shows the different types of sampling methods contained in this dataset. Again, if we click on a point on the map, it brings up a window with information like the name of the study that collected the sample. ERMA's ability to show many types of historic, real-time, and forecasted data all in one location makes it a powerful tool for emergency responders and environmental resource managers.